In this video, I'm going to show you how to download Twitter videos to your gallery. To get started, the first thing that you'll need to do is to open Twitter on your device and sign in into your account. Now on your feed, go ahead and look for a video that you want to download on your device. Click on that specific video and that will take you into this page. Now at the bottom right corner of your screen, you'll be able to find this share icon. Click on that and click on the copy link button to copy the link to this video. After that, go ahead and head over to your browser and search for SSS Twitter. This web application will allow you to download your favorite Twitter video. So click on that sstwitter.com and in the section, go ahead and paste the link to that Twitter video that you want to download. Click on the download button and after that, you'll be able to select the video quality that you want to have the video for download. So go ahead and select from this available video qualities. You can also convert that Twitter video into an MP3. Now go ahead and select the quality of your video and that video will be downloaded on your device. Now once you open that video, you'll be able to find that under your download files. And that is how you can simply download Twitter videos on your device. Take note that accessing sstwitter.com is free and can be done using any browser. Thank you so much for watching and we'll see you in the next video.